Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tip Tricks and Tech. Today we're going to do an installation of our newest gadget that we got was Wyze garage door control. So I already use my phone Wi-Fi to control my garage. Like it's a $10 little board, and you just connect to the Wi-Fi and this things like that. But I kind of feel like just wanted to have everything in my camera and my garage, everything included, incorporated in one app. So I decided to buy this Wyze one. This one just $18, but it comes with the camera package, which is about $50-$60, which I don't need it. I have cameras everywhere. I can see if my garage is open or not. So I'm not a big fan of that. So, and also this one you can connect to Google or Alexa compatible, so you can say, hey Alexa, open my garage, it will open the garage. So that's one of the reason I was interested. Anyway, so let's open the box and see what's inside, and also let's install this and see how it works. Right, so let's go check it out. I have my Wyze outdoor camera here. If you haven't watched this video, I'll put a link in my description. You can also watch it. And also, I already have a video on my previous device which I use. I'll put a link in my description too. You can go and watch it. Anyway, so let's open the box and see what's inside. Okay, this is just a box. Okay, there's a adapter here to connect to the power. It's from Wyze. And okay, this is the actual controller. This is the power cord, and this one goes to the garage switch which we installing. And this one is a power cord on both ends. Not really. What is? I don't even know what it is. Okay, that's to control the camera, and this is actually the power cord for this thing. Okay, so this one is connect to camera. So I don't have a camera right now, so I'm not really connecting it, but if I have to connect, I can use this. I have an extra camera actually. I can use this thing to connect the camera and it will work. So, but anyway, it comes with this dual thing. You connect here, and then you have dual outlet, which is, you can connect one for camera and one for your controller. Let's open the instruction manual. Came with adhesive tape. Came with a quick start guide, and I believe this is the QR code, which I don't need it because I'm not installing camera, so yeah, I don't need it, but it came with the package. And it's just a warning sign, right, if you want to use it. So buy it. So I think it's buying separate is cheaper. Camera I think only costs like maybe $20, and this one costs $18, which is cheaper than buying all package together. But to set it up, this is very easy. So let's go and set this up. So guys, what I realized was the controller doesn't work by itself. You need to have a Wyze Cam 3 with it to work with it. So either it comes with a package, you can buy the package, or you can buy separately. This is only $6 in the Wyze app or the Wyze website, and the cam was $29. Still, it's cheaper than buying as a set. All you missing will be a charger and a thing, which charger and a cable, which it comes with this thing. So it's not a big deal for that. So let's open the Wyze V3 cam and see what's inside. Basically it's probably just a camera. Okay, so let's open that. Quick start guide. Open the top, and then there's a cover, and that's the camera itself. Okay, so this is a camera itself. Okay, let me open it for you so that you guys can see it. So this is a Wyze Cam 3. Okay, then comes with the same cable and a charger, and there's adhesive parts to attach the if you want to stick the camera, and there's some screws and adapter. It's both pretty same adapter, no difference, same thing, no different. AC is adapter, same adapter. and the only missing will be this splitter, which, yeah, if you want to get this splitter, you have to get the entire package. So what it does is you can connect your cable here, and this will split. One goes to the controller and one goes to the camera. That's pretty much it. So let's go and install it and then see how this works. Okay, so I'm going to install straight to my garage. Okay, you can see this is the setup I have right now. It's just a simple setup. It's like a circuit board right here, and then the power comes from the top. So that's the setup. It works with an app, but I would like to incorporate everything to a single app, Wyze app, and then I'm gonna put a camera here so I can have a good view of my garage if it's open. So that's the plan. So let's do that. As you can see, I connected where the power switch comes, or the trigger switch goes to the right there. So that's where I connected to the controller, the Wyze controller. I connected 2 line there. Then I have the power connected, and it comes all the way down here. So I have the splitter ready, and the connector is here. I'm going to connect to the one is to the camera and one to the controller. So I have one controller connected. It says connect to the controller. I don't know if you can see. Okay, anyway, this one says it's hard to read, but it says connect to controller, and this one's to the camera. So the camera is blinking red, so that means ready to pair. So let's go to the app. Okay, now let's open the app and go from there. So okay, so we'll start from the beginning. So this is my Wyze app. So you're gonna click plus to start. You're gonna do add device. You're going to the cameras. Then we go. This is under this control. Wyze garage control comes under the camera. Then yeah, you check the compatibility. Yes, it's compatible to me. And then warning, never let the child walk on under. So you click that. Check for the Wi-Fi strength. You check it. It's a great connection. So start installation. So I'm gonna start with the setup with the Wyze control bundle with included V3 camera. So it says recommended with the round cable. Mine is not round, mine is flat. But anyway, so let's go. All you have to do is just a little farther away, but that's not a big issue. So all you need a ladder screwdriver. We all have this. Mounts, everything, it's ready to go. QR code, everything is good to go. Next, so plug V3 into the power outlet. So it's flashing red right now. Pull the base away from the Wyze 3 and plus set under the camera. So for your camera, I'm just gonna press it. Okay, you hear the sound. Ready to connect. I heard ready to connect. So you click that. Next. Then this is my network. Yes. Scan this QR code. I'm gonna scan this QR code with the camera.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
Okay. Connecting. So it could take some minute. So obviously I cannot show you both this, but obviously it's pretty easy. It's not that difficult. All you have to do, I show the connection. All you have to just follow the step. It's not that hard. So I still can with the Wyze skills, so it's good. So I'm going to put name it. Going to put garage main. So that's a garage main cam. That's a garage main garage. Okay, so I don't want basic. I just want the basic. Okay, contains a basic plan. That's okay. It's a basic plan. As a share family, maybe later I will share it. Connect the controller to the opener. So I did connect it. Okay, now plug the USB port into the controller. So actually I did it early, so I'm gonna do it now. Okay, it light up. Next, mount your devices. Please mount the camera controller on the smooth surface, which I can do later. Power adapter is good, so it's finished. Okay. Upgrade, now we're asking for upgrade, so I have this right now hanging, but I'm gonna upgrade now so that we can go all up to date. Okay, my update is finished, so let's go to the Wyze app. Okay, so all done. Your upgrade went great, so click done. So that's a garage door installed. Now you have to another firmware update. I guess this is the latest firmware for. Let's do that. Garage door controller installed. Calibrate setting. Garage door controller. So you can calibrate in the setting accessory. So let's click calibrate. V3 view angle. Okay, you need to rotate it because I'm gonna go like this. So we're going to rotate it. Okay, so that's a view. Next, 1 second. Oh, I have to attach it here first. So before that, hold on. Before you do that, I'm gonna attach the V3 cam right in the middle, right here. So okay. So I attach it. So now the view, as you can see, to check the view, we have to go back to the Wyze cam app. So Wyze, so that's not a view. So we have to pull it out a little bit. So go like this. Okay. So that's a view of the garage from the top. So now we got to paste the QR code somewhere. So I have to, for that, I have to drop down my garage. So let me manually drop it down. So now you can see I manually drop it down. I'm going to attach the QR code in a second. Maybe I should do somewhere in the middle, as you can see. At that gonna do here. So let me get the QR code. Okay, let me show you the QR code. This is the QR code, and it says this side up. So I assume this side goes like this because it says this side is up, right? So it has to go like this. So, but this is the QR code. I'm going to attach it over there. So let's do that. So the QR code is in. Okay, paste the QR code. So next, let's go next. The QR code calibration. Garage is fully closed. Calibrating. Click to open. There you go. Hey, come on, it's opening. Very nice. Beautifully. Okay, it's fully open. Yes, it's fully open. Now click to close. I'm gonna click it again. Takes 15 seconds. So there is a blink and there's a sound coming. Okay, my garage is going down. Okay, it's fully closed. Yes, click it. Calibration success. Finish. So here you go. So this is my garage view. So let's say when you go here, you just have to click the controller to do it. So there's no option for, say it's a garage main cam. So pretty much on garage controller. So this is not like just a controller you click in versus I show you. So the controller which I'm using right now is EV Link, which is the controller. So this is the thing. Since I took it off, it was a garage main. All you have to do just click it to do this, and garage left it's offline and Wi-Fi outlet. So, but so this is how we used to do it. But when it comes to Wyze cam, you just gotta click the garage main cam, as you can see, so that it will dictate the QR code, and you click the controller warning. It goes slightly while it's motion. So it's when you click it, it's coming up. Okay. So that's like a slight delay in it, but it's okay. Overall, it's great. So maybe Alexa, I have to control with the Alexa. Maybe I can try with the Alexa and see if you click it again. So here you go. It's moving down. If you wanna hear the sound, you can hear the sound. There you go. So that's the deal. Okay, my installation is complete. So I did a decent cable management. So I installed this Wyze controller like this, pretty much, you know, right there. I mean, I have my garage opener is old, so.
And I'm here.
Okay, yes.
Because I forgot.
You forgot, yes. It was your so.
Also, I need 1,000 subscribers.
Yes, and I have this EV link here installed. So let's see how this both work. And I have the switch right there, right? So pretty much, so let's try with this. So I'm going to do a screen recording and then I'm going to show you how this both work. So now if you go to the Wyze apps, let's try the EV link first to see. So I have the garage left and I used to have a garage main. So now I changed it. All you have to do just click this thing. And then what it does is, you can see there's a click, it's turning off, right? So it's motion detected on the main cam because it's also connected to that side. But anyway, so let's open the Wyze, right? So this is, so when you main, let me go to main. So this is a garage main cam. So if you click here, so it will show you the garage, and then it comes here the controller. All you have to do, just click control here, and then what I'm going to show you, so it just clicking, and then it comes, garage is down, and comes with the QR code. All right, so then if you go to the Wyze app, you can see the garage is closed. So now I can see the both garages from here, and if you want to open it, click here the control here again. So there's actually it's a blink, which I'll record to you. So the garage is opening. Here comes the garage open. If I go to the EV link, I click here, and the other garage open too, which you can see in the Wyze cam, it's opening up. So yeah, that's it. See, that's how you hear it. You hear that 3-4 blink, and then it goes down. And you will get some kind of notification if it's left it open. You can get the notification. So it's pretty decent connection, so it's good. So guys, thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and it's fairly easy installation. You don't need a garage guys to install. You can install it by yourself. So I hope this is simple installation video. Hopefully this will help you to get this and then do it. I did it for like $20 for the camera, no, $30 for camera and $6 for the controller. That was only 26 bucks. I mean 36 bucks versus you know, if you want to buy, it's about $60 from the controller. But you can do that, so it's not a big deal. I was kind of a little tricky because if initially I just bought this controller and then it wouldn't work without a camera, so that was a total waste. That's why I decided to buy a camera too and install it. But anyway, overall it's all good, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, again, share with your friends so that they can install this, and then it's kind of change your life. All right, you don't need a crazy $1,000 or $500 installation. It's just simple as it is. Anyway, I'll be coming with another video soon. Till then, it's me, Aldos, and Ethan. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.